Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. So, I originally did shoot an intro, but I have to reshoot an intro and an outro because I used today's unboxing product and it failed. Well, maybe it didn't fail, but the media that I used failed. Alright, so let's just jump right into the unboxing. Here we have the MVC FD200. This is a Sony Mavica camera from 2001 that I just bought. New in box from Walmart. 17 years after it was released. Of course I didn't pay what they had on the tag of $270, but I did talk to them and they lowered the price, which is awesome. So we did sadly rip the paper off just to make sure everything was in there, since you know it is a camera from 2001. So let's open it up and check this shit out. So we got if your digital camera is not working properly, do not return it to the store. On the lid. Here, let me, screw it. I'll just do this. Alright. So, there we go. We got cables. We got more cables. We got a power brick. We got a battery. We have a camera. We have paperwork, and now we have an empty box. So let me reposition and hold on. Okay, so here's all our paperwork and our lens cap. So let's just go ahead and take that out. There's our lens cap cover. So what all do we have in here? Accessory guide. Alright, let's see what kind of accessories the Mavica had. So don't miss on the special savings. So we had a construction worker, hard work, Sony access, okay. We have demanding, we got some filters and lenses. Holy crap, some of those are really expensive for what they are. Got some filters, a shroud for the eyepiece, that's kind of interesting. A bag, another bag, some tripods, some chargers and stuff. Batteries and battery chargers. Their memory stick collection. Amusingly enough, I had one of those. I had the NZ90 back in the day. More memory stick stuff. Memory stick reader. Memory stick readers. We got printers with paper. Image solutions online. Image station, so information about the DVD or CD it came with. The website and a monitor. Interesting. So that was some accessories you could have got for this back in 2001. Register your product. Safety information. A CD. Ooh. Pixela Image Manager. Version 1.1 for Sony, and it does have the Mavica drivers. And here is our still camera, digital stills camera user manual, multilingual. Let's put the camera over here. So we have a battery, which I guarantee is toast. It's a Info Lithium. NPF330 is the model number. We'll just leave that there. Ooh. We have the strap for it. Let's see, it just says Sony, still in good condition, go figure. And we have a figure of 8 cable, a phono jack to RCA, a micro USB to, no, not micro, mini USB to regular USB, and we have our power supply, which is a, you can't make that out, I'm going the wrong direction, there we go. So this is a 8.4 volt, 1.5 amp power adapter, and it does have a proprietary plug, like most things back in the day. I guess we'll finally open the star of the show. So here's the camera. It looks like it might have been a return because there is some grime on it, but the lens is in good shape. And the first thing I noticed is the floppy disk door isn't there, so that's not the greatest, but it does take memory sticks, if I can find them. That would be awesome. And there is the lovely back. So yeah, this thing is from 2001. Let's see, does it have a date code on the bottom? Nope, it doesn't. But as you can see, on the front we have a little slider for zooming in and out. This does have 3x optical and 2x digital if you want it there. So 6x total, but 3x, because I ain't turning digital on. It's only 2 whole megapixels. That's it. So it does have dual media, which is cool. It does have a lip or threads, so you could technically attach better lenses. We do have a 2.5-inch screen. We can do view, stills, or movies. You can change the information on your display, change your programs, change your focus from macro to your different focus levels. Sorry, I'm still a noob when it comes to cameras. And you have a switch right here for which media you want to store on. Let me go grab a floppy disk real fast and a power extension cord, and we'll turn this bad boy on. Okay, so we have our DC jack right here, that way down, and power. So its auto date is 1/1/2000. So we'll just go ahead and cancel that. So that it says there's no discs. So I got one. Put that in. It is very quiet, I have to say. So let's take a picture. Where's the... Okay, so there's the garbage from the unboxing. So let's just take a picture. And the flash was on. Not sure if you could hear that. So we're going to go ahead and turn the flash off. And then take another picture. Whoa, there it is. Okay, and that's 4 images. this floppy disk is full. Holy crap. 4 2-megapixel photos. Let's put another one in. Alright, well, I guess this is really all I can show you for right now. If I find a memory stick, I know I have some, it's just trying to find them. If I do have any memory sticks, I will definitely try and shoot a video with this, just because. But anyways, thanks for watching. As I said in the beginning, the media I used failed, so I lost the intro and outro. Plus, I don't think it records audio. That's kind of weird. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button, and as always, you will see me in the next video.